This is not just bread. This is the croissant, one of the most famous pastries in the world. Golden, flaky, buttery. And behind every croissant, there's a story. Most people associate croissants with France, Parisian cafes, fresh coffee, and warm bakeries in the early morning. But surprisingly, the croissant did not originally come from France. Its roots go back to Austria. Centuries ago, a crescent-shaped pastry called the Kipferl was already being made in Vienna. Later, French bakers transformed it, adding layers of butter, folding the dough again and again, creating the flaky pastry we know today. And that process is what makes croissants so special. A traditional croissant can contain dozens of delicate layers. Butter, dough, folded repeatedly with precision and patience. When baked correctly, those layers rise beautifully, creating the crispy outside and soft airy inside. That texture is what made the croissant iconic. Over time, croissants spread far beyond Europe. Today they are enjoyed all around the world. Plein croissant, chocolat croissant, almond croissants, cheese-filled croissants. Every culture added its own touch. In modern cafes, croissants became more than breakfast. They became part of a lifestyle, a symbol of slow mornings, coffee culture, and simple luxury. But behind that beauty, there is craftsmanship. Professional bakers spend years perfecting croissant techniques. Temperature matters, timing matters, even the butter matters, because making the perfect croissant is an art. And despite all the modern food trends, the croissant remains timeless. Simple ingredients, extraordinary result. Because sometimes the most iconic foods in the world are built on patience, tradition, and technique. So next time you see a croissant, look a little closer. You're not just looking at pastry. You're looking at centuries of history, craftsmanship, and culture. Subscribe for more food stories from around the world. World Flavors Hub.